Hello, and welcome to New Take. In this video, you will learn how to hard reset Mi Note 10 Pro. Let's start directly. At first, turn off your mobile. Then, press and hold power button and volume up button together. Release all the button after Mi recovery mode appears on the screen. Now, use volume button to select the wipe data option. Press power button to choose wipe all data. Press power button to confirm. Go to main menu and select reboot option. Press power button to reboot the system. Now, wait until the reboot process is finished. Now, tap on Next option. Then choose your language. And tap on Next option. After that, select your region, and tap on Next option. Tap on Skip option. Agree the terms and conditions, and tap on Next option. Tap on Next option. Scroll down. Tap on Accept option. And wait for a second. Now, tap on Skip option. Tap on Next option. Choose a theme you like. And tap on Next option. Now, setup is completed. Tap on Next option. After that, your phone is ready to use. Great. You have successfully hard reset Mi Note 10 Pro. Okay, that's it for today. Please like, comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.